Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today it's all about mirrors and windows.
You need black tea. Put 3 bags in a mug. You can use any black tea. I used this lemon flavored one because it's what I had on hand. The tannins in black tea are a natural shining agent, so with just some tea bags and water you can make your mirrors and windows sparkle. You can even use used tea bags, an amazing way to avoid waste. When the tea cooled down, transfer it into a spray bottle and instead of using a paper towel, try newspaper. First, I want to show you my dirty mirror in my bathroom. It's full of dust, toothpaste, smudges, hair. It got so filthy. Remove any items you have in front of the mirror, then apply a thin layer of black tea and put the newspaper to work. It must be a tea, not tisane, containing tannins in order to make your glass sparkle. You can keep it in your refrigerator for up to a week. This is the final result. Sparkling clean, no more dirt and smudges, looking so shiny. The once grimy mirror now gleams, reflecting pristine surfaces after a thorough cleaning. Now it's time to refill some items and put everything back. Tea is one of the safest natural alternatives used for cleaning because it's plant-based and therefore non-toxic and safe for use in homes with children and pets. Tea that is high in tannic acid acts as an astringent and cuts through grease and neutralizes odors, so black tea is the ideal choice. You can even clean dark laminate kitchen cabinets with it. While vinegar is a great natural cleaner, black tea is less acidic and therefore less likely to strip dark or delicate materials such as laminate. Black tea can be a great option for hardwood and dark laminate since the tannins in black tea can help remove any smudges or stains on the surface, while the dark color of the tea can help hide any remaining marks. However, it's always important to test a small area first to ensure that the tea does not cause discoloration on the cabinets. It's also very important to let the tea cool down. You have to use it at room temperature. The tea not only gets rid of all the grease, grime and fingerprints, but it also leaves a smooth matte finish without leaving them dull and stripped of their color. I always love a freshly clean mirror. It gives me a sense of cleanliness and order. Next, I show you the window of this bathroom. It's even worse than the mirror. It rained so much lately, so it got super dirty. Look at this mess. Black tea will take care of it. For best results, 2 or more applications may be necessary. Cleaning with tea is not a new practice and has been a popular method to clean and deodorize a variety of surfaces. It can be used to clean glass, plants to give the leaves a glossy finish, mirrors, windows, wooden surfaces, and furniture. Look at that difference! Now the window is sparkling, dirt-free, crystal clear. Good job! The clean window now lets in the sunlight, free from smudges and grime. I hope this video was helpful. If so, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time. Bye!